Hey, and welcome back to a new video. This time I will show you how to add Google Analytics to your Tag Manager. And I've just created a new Google Analytics account and created a new data stream. So in my case, this was just a website. So I chose web stream, added a stream name for that. So my website is called Vertical Hub. So I just named it like this. And you will see a pop-up like this. And now there are two IDs, the stream ID and the measurement ID. And what we want to do is we want to grab the measurement ID and go over to the Google Tag Manager. As you can see here in the Google Tag Manager, it's empty. And we want to change that now by adding a new tag. And this new tag, we will call it Google Analytics all page views, meaning this tag is fired on all pages on my website and it's firing the Google Analytics tag. And to configure it, I just choose tag configuration, click Google Analytics, and then say, hey, I want to load the Google tag here and put in the Google tag ID. And then we need to choose a trigger. And the trigger is I want to load it on all of the page views on my website. So I just choose all page views, save it, and then really important, I need to submit it and publish it. So this is the deployment of the container of my Google Tag Manager. And now it should be on every single page of my website, and we can see it by checking if the data is received in my Google Analytics. So right now, no data received yet, but let's wait for a second and also go to the website. Okay, so that worked out really well. It was shown as green, and you can always use a really cool feature with the real time in Google Analytics. So you can go to your project, then go to reports and go to real time. And now you can see there's one person on the website. So we know the Google Analytics is working. And obviously you need to go to the website or someone else to see that it's working. But that's how you implement Google Analytics with your Google Tag Manager. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.